Archangel Michael has an urgent message specifically for you today. Someone in your life thought they could easily replace you and take what's yours. They looked at you and decided you were ordinary, that anyone could do what you do. But they made a serious mistake. They completely underestimated who you truly are at your core. The powerful guardian angel Archangel Michael is watching over you right now, and he sees your real value even when others are blind to it. Those sudden surges of confidence you've been feeling? The blue light flashes in your peripheral vision? The unexpected moments when you feel stronger than usual? These are all signs from Archangel Michael trying to reach you. You've been feeling dismissed, undervalued, maybe even invisible lately, and there's a divine reason you needed to feel this way. The replacement attempt happening in your life has actually triggered something powerful in the spiritual realm, a reveal that will shock everyone who doubted you. The timing of you finding this message today is no accident. Major shifts are about to happen, and you need to understand what's coming. Archangel Michael has revealed something that's been happening behind your back. Someone in your life, whether at work, in your family circle, or in your social group, has deliberately positioned another person to take your place. This isn't paranoia or imagination. This person genuinely believed you were easily replaceable, that you were just ordinary and nothing special. Behind your back, they've been building up this replacement person, praising them excessively, giving them opportunities that should have been yours. They've been making subtle comparisons designed to make you feel inadequate and less than. They wanted you to see this replacement and feel small, perhaps even quit or step aside on your own. The replacement person might not even realize they're being used as a weapon against you. This was a calculated move meant to push you out of your position and make room for someone they thought was better. But here's what Archangel Michael wants you to understand. They made a critical miscalculation. What they don't realize is that this replacement attempt isn't really about finding someone better than you. It's actually about what's been hidden inside you that's about to be powerfully revealed to everyone. The very act of trying to replace you has activated something in the spiritual realm that cannot be stopped. Now you need to recognize the signs of this replacement happening in your life. Think about recent changes in how you've been treated. Have you suddenly been excluded from important meetings, conversations, or decisions that you should naturally be part of? The new person has been getting credit for ideas or work that you actually initiated or developed. People who once valued your input and sought your opinion are now acting distant or dismissive toward you. Your contributions are being minimized or completely ignored in group settings, as if you never spoke at all. You felt invisible even when you speak up or share ideas that should matter. The replacement person keeps receiving opportunities, recognition, and chances that you deserved and worked toward. You've had strange dreams recently about being left behind, forgotten, or watching from the outside while others move forward without you. Pay attention to physical sensations too, that tightness in your chest when you're around certain people, the sudden waves of fatigue that hit you after interactions with the orchestrator. Your intuition has been screaming that something unfair is happening, even when you couldn't put your finger on exactly what it was. You've noticed the orchestrator's fake enthusiasm when talking about the replacement person, almost like they're trying too hard to convince everyone. Small comments have been dropped specifically to shake your confidence and make you question your abilities. You've been left out of celebrations or recognition moments that you should have been included in. The replacement person's name gets mentioned constantly in your presence, as if to remind you that you're being phased out. You've been feeling like you're slowly being erased from your position. Now Archangel Michael reveals what these people cannot see about you. Your true spiritual identity carries gifts and qualities that are far beyond what appears on the surface. You possess rare abilities that simply cannot be replicated or replaced by anyone else. Your energy signature is completely unique. Think of it like a spiritual fingerprint that only you carry. The struggles and challenges you've overcome throughout your life have forged special qualities within you that most people will never develop. You have natural talents that appear effortless to others, but they are actually extraordinary when people stop to really notice them. There's something about your authentic energy that draws people in, even when they don't consciously understand why they feel comfortable or inspired around you. You carry a light that others unconsciously recognize and seek out, which is exactly why the orchestrator feels threatened. They sense something in you they can't quite name or understand, and that unknown quality makes them uncomfortable. Your very presence shifts the energy in whatever space you occupy. You've been dimming your natural light to make others feel comfortable, shrinking yourself down to fit into spaces that were always too small for who you really are. The replacement person lacks the depth, wisdom, and genuine qualities that you naturally possess. While they might look good on paper or make a strong first impression, they don't have what you carry inside. Right now, your spiritual gifts are activating at accelerated rates. What makes you truly irreplaceable isn't what you do or the tasks you perform, it's fundamentally who you are as a being. The divine realm has been carefully preparing you for something far greater than your current situation. This replacement attempt is actually the push you needed toward your real purpose. You were never meant to stay in this limiting situation long-term anyway. Archangel Michael wants you to understand exactly what's about to unfold. A powerful shift is occurring right now in the spiritual realm that will reveal everyone's true value in clear, undeniable ways. The replacement person will soon reveal their limitations in ways that become obvious to everyone watching. What appeared to be their greatest strengths will show themselves as merely surface-level abilities without real depth. Specific situations are coming that will require the unique abilities only you possess, and when those moments arrive, the difference will be unmistakable. The person who orchestrated your replacement will realize too late what they've actually lost. Others who have stayed silent and watched this unfair treatment happen will suddenly see your true worth with complete clarity. Your irreplaceable nature will become so undeniable that even those who wanted to dismiss you won't be able to ignore it anymore. The comparison they created will actually end up highlighting what makes you exceptional rather than diminishing you. While they thought they were replacing you with something better, opportunities far superior to your current situation are manifesting for you right now. People who genuinely value what you bring will emerge from unexpected places and make themselves clearly known to you. The replacement attempt will backfire in spectacular fashion. Divine justice doesn't work through revenge or you needing to prove anything, it works by simply revealing truth. Those who dismissed you and thought you were ordinary will witness your breakthrough and advancement. Your next position, role, or situation will properly honor your actual value. The orchestrator's judgment and decision-making abilities will be seriously questioned by others. This divine reversal is already in motion. If you pay attention, you'll notice the signs appearing now, small cracks in their plan, unexpected opportunities coming your way, and a growing sense that things are about to change dramatically. During this transition period, Archangel Michael's shield of protection surrounds you. Begin each morning by saying this prayer: Archangel Michael, protect me during this time of change. Help me maintain my dignity and clarity. Surround me with your blue light so I can see truth clearly and walk forward with confidence. Thank you for revealing my true value. Practice blue light visualization whenever you feel dismissed or undervalued. Close your eyes and imagine bright blue protective light surrounding your entire body, especially around your heart and head. This keeps you centered and prevents their negative opinions from affecting your sense of worth. Learn to observe without reacting to provocations. When they try to get a reaction from you by praising the replacement or diminishing your work, stay calm and neutral. Your lack of reaction will actually unsettle them more than any defense would. Maintain your standards and quality of work even when others lower theirs. Continue being excellent not to prove anything to them, but because that's who you are. Learn to recognize divine doors opening while false ones close. New opportunities often come disguised as small chances or unexpected conversations. Stay alert. Ground yourself in your worth daily, regardless of external validation. Spend 5 minutes each morning reminding yourself of your unique value. Clear your energy each evening by visualizing any hurt or disappointment dissolving in blue light. Carry something blue as a physical reminder of your true value and Archangel Michael's presence. Create emotional space for new opportunities by releasing attachment to recognition from people who don't see you clearly. Trust these signs that protection is working, sudden opportunities appearing, unexpected allies reaching out, and feeling lighter despite circumstances. Archangel Michael reveals that this replacement attempt is actually divine redirection pushing you toward your real path. The truth is, you were settling for a situation that was always beneath your actual spiritual calling and capabilities. Your gifts, talents, and energy are needed in a much bigger arena or completely different environment than where you currently are. The discomfort you've been feeling isn't just about being replaced, it's about being pushed out of a space that has become too comfortable and too limiting for your growth. Right now, new doors are opening that actually match your real value and potential. Soon you'll meet people who operate at your true level, and they'll recognize you immediately for who you are. This painful experience is teaching you the crucial lesson of valuing yourself first, before seeking validation from others. Your next chapter requires the confidence and self-assurance that this difficult trial is currently building within you. Pay attention to synchronicities appearing in your life, repeated numbers, unexpected messages, or people mentioning similar opportunities. Notice your dreams or sudden visions showing you glimpses of a different future than you imagined. Trust that Archangel Michael has been carefully orchestrating this transition, even though it feels chaotic and unfair right now. Everything you've learned and endured in your current situation has specific purpose for where you're going next. The replacement situation was spiritually necessary to create enough discomfort that you'd finally be willing to leave. You're being relocated to an environment where you'll be properly valued, celebrated, and given room to fully express your gifts. Trust the divine timing of both your exit from what no longer serves you and your entrance into what's truly meant for you. Archangel Michael stands beside you right now with urgent guidance for immediate action. Start preparing for imminent changes even if you can't see them yet. Begin privately documenting your ideas, contributions, and accomplishments. Keep records of your work and impact. Update your skills, resume, and professional presence even if you're not actively looking for new opportunities yet. This preparation creates energy that attracts the right situations to you. Open yourself completely to unexpected opportunities that might appear suddenly from directions you never considered. Trust your intuition about timing. It will tell you clearly when to stay silent and when to make your move. Don't burn bridges or create unnecessary drama, but equally don't beg for recognition from those who refuse to see your value. Understand that the divine reversal happens on its own perfect timetable without you needing to force anything. Your only role is to stay ready and maintain your sense of worth internally regardless of external circumstances. Show your appreciation for this divine intervention and guidance. Giving super thanks up to $20 strengthens your energetic connection to Archangel Michael's continued guidance and support. This energy exchange opens channels for ongoing divine assistance during your transition. The window of transformation is open right now. Acting on this message today rather than postponing it accelerates your breakthrough. Your true value is about to be demonstrated in ways that will surprise even you. Trust completely that what's coming for you is infinitely better than what you're leaving behind.